Time has had its way with me. My broken, tired hands can't build a thing. The wires that have held me still, embedded now in flesh, define my will. The idol of my days is one. The empty I have fed has made me numb. Despite what you will find in me, the failures of my past still swell beneath. I need a heart that carries on through the pain when the walls start collapsing again. Give me a soul that never ceases to follow, despite the infection within. Our careless feet leaving trails, never minding the fragile turn we all end in. Our careless feet leaving trails, never minding the fragile turn we all end in. This is where I find my fall. The cares that held me live don't work at all. And every step away from here is closer to the plague I hold.